So we had a request from AAA to come help one of their customers that they are unable to assist. So Ben and I just came up here. We brought 2 Land Cruisers because they said it was going to be kind of a hefty job. So we got Ben and his white one, and we got Dad's because I was at Dad's house towing, and that was the closest one available. Looks like they buried the rear tires and the rear liftgate part. The rear liftgate, as soon as this comes out, it's in soft dirt, so yeah. I was thinking as soon as these come up, that'll be fine, and it's far enough away from the concrete that when those go up, it's not gonna rub on the concrete. No, it'll be fine. So maybe we should do one on each side. That's what I'm just pull straight. Yeah, because as soon as it lifts up over that, it's home free. 2 feet. Yep, should be good. Where are you thinking tying to? That's probably the strongest. It'll be right around the spring right there. That's going to be the strongest thing to hook to. That's what I was thinking too. There's a lot of stuff to hook to in the back, but I don't see that any of it's going to be nearly that strong. No. What side do we want the heavier duty one on? I don't think it'll matter. Probably this side. I don't know if it'll matter. It probably won't. Because just getting pressure against it so that those tires can actually climb, I think is all that it's really going to need. Yep, I agree. I got well, we both have wireless remotes. I'm thinking I'll just park Dad's really close right here, because we're probably going to turn it that way once you get pulled up, and so when you park yours on the other side, maybe give a little more 5 feet or so, and then yeah, I'll jump in it and I'll drive it while working the remote, and you can guide us and make sure nothing bad happens. Are you going this way, or do you want to go around? I'll go this way. Okay, I'll stay out of the way. Hey, we're here. We're ready for the key. No problem. It's only got to go a couple feet. Let's be careful. Looks like there's some rebar sticking out of this one. Yeah. Pretty close to the tire. Yep. Okay, we're going to put it in 4 low. Locking the hubs, just so there's more resistance, just in case I'm outside while I'm winching. That way I don't have to hold the brakes and it just drag the rear tires. All 4 will be holding. Just lock in. Yeah. Right there's good. Howdy. Looks like it just dropped in that soft stuff and then it was done.
This operation looks awesome. Loving what it's doing.
You got the keys. We'll go ahead and fire it up and
Get ready. Okay.
Shocks? I can't tell what that is.
The spring? Yeah. The spring mount there is the strongest part of the entire suspension. So that's going to be the most secure place to attach to.
Cool.
Ready?
Hold it, Caleb. Let me check. See how close that is over there? It slid up above the curb.
Yeah, I can see the nose.
The tire's
We're gonna-
touching, but
We're gonna need somebody to put the foot on.
yeah. Probably back up a little bit and we're going to need to get somebody to hold their foot on the brake of the red Land Cruiser because it's just dragging it.
I felt it starting to climb.
It was starting, it wanted to go. It was real close.
Am I spinning at all?
This side's not. The other side probably
Can you ask
is.
him? Can you holler to him and ask if that side's spinning?
Are the tires on that side spinning? On the Isuzu? Yeah, they're spinning. Probably let off a little. Should we let off and see if it'll go back a few inches and try and get some stuff in front of the tires a little? It
Are
might
you
help.
slack? I'm slack.
Yeah, you're slack. Okay, mine's slack. Let's see. Give it just a little pressure. Okay, it's not creating enough on this side to be able to get anything down there. I'm gonna go look at that side. I might.
Land Cruiser's closer.
I might need to drop my front tire down in there so it'll catch on the curb and give a little more resistance.
Once you move, I'm gonna get this out for him and out on the street.
Okay. A little bit tight here. He's good, it's just the one tire. Actually pretty big tires. I mean, that's clear up to here. So there's some big holes. Unlock. Yeah, those are some pretty good holes.
Yeah, this would be a good one for the, what you can call that, for the, I don't know, children's clients. Look what we can do. We can get out of this. We can get out of that.
Yeah, the hard part is it's got to lift straight up to get up over that curb. And
So as you could tell, that was a very hard pull. We had to end up sinking both the front tires, or both Land Cruisers, the front tires in the
against the curb,
in
between the sidewalk and the street.
That gave us just enough pressure. It almost didn't quite do it, but it did it. It did it, and I could feel it in the truck. I was like, "Oh, it's right there! It's right there! It's right there!" And
all of a sudden, it started to lift.
Finally started to lift and pulled over, and it's a lot of weight to pull straight up. So, once again, crazy impressed with the Land Cruisers, and so were the customers. They stated over and over and over how awesome the Land Cruisers are. So,
yep, and not just aesthetics,
yeah,
but functional.
Not
too.
just aesthetics.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're both headed back to work now. It's been snowy and crazy busy, so we'll go get some more stuff done and see you on the next one. Right there. You're a little bit passenger, right there. A little bit driver, right there. Passenger, right there, perfect. Come on through. Driver. turn this way. There you go, perfect. Right there. There, little passenger, right there. Okay, driver.
Good job, Brian.
Passenger. Shake him out. Perfect. Did you ever even have to put the front end?